Okay, so this is a little bit strange, but here's a Tommy video that I thought I had put up here, and I just realized after I did the walk around, it's just a real quick walk around video, but I just realized, and I was kind of looking back, I was like, you didn't put this up there? You made this video, you didn't put it up there? I didn't. I think it got lost somewhere in the shuffle between the holidays and the Creature from the Black Lagoon. I think I had thought I put it up, but I didn't. But you know what, man? I was probably drinking eggnog. I could have been doing anything. It's inexplicable how this mind right here works. But here it is. It'll give you at least a little bit of some kind of closure if you were watching that. I think where I left off before, I painted the new cabinet, and that was pretty much it. So this is what it took. This was a home use only Tommy. Real nice game, but it had been in a storage facility and water was dripping down on it. Unbeknownst to the person that owns it, they found out, then they filed an insurance claim. They got me involved, which I never, I almost hesitate to even tell you that because I don't do insurance work. I don't write estimates for shipping damage, and I don't deal with insurance companies. That's two things I am very strict about. I don't do. And the reason for that is it's not that I would mind doing either, but just my past experience has been really bad doing that. Insurance companies want you to be a secretary and an accountant, and I restore pinball machines. I don't have time to sit at a computer and keep playing around with them. And when it comes to that sort of thing, shipping companies are pretty much exactly the same. So I don't have any interest in that. If you want to send me something that got damaged and you want to pay for it and you want to deal with them, I'll help you out. But I'm not the person that's going to be dealing with that. I'm not putting itemized estimates on company letterhead and all this other shit they want. I have no interest in it. I just work on this other stuff. I don't have to jump through those hoops. That's really where I'm at with it. So anyway, I did get involved in this against my better judgment. And when it was all said and done, I painted a nice new cabinet for this, put all the home use only parts into it. Didn't get too far into the play field, like tearing it down or anything like that. I could have. I mean, I think the person that owns it would have been okay with that if I wanted to go that route, but I didn't see any need to do that. I mean, it's a home use only Tommy. It needs a new cabinet. There it is. It's been done. So I did also need to replace a lot of lamp sockets and just different things. You'll see it. It's all in this video. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And even if you don't like it, just understand it's closing the loop on this one. And we'll get into whatever's next. I've got a bunch of Bally solid state games lined up over here. You can't see them quite yet, but I'm about to tear into those. I got this Gottlieb Stargate. I mean, I've got some stuff that I need to do. And I'm going to be doing it, and you can watch it unfold if you'd like. And I'll see you there.
about your woman, I wish you could see mine. You talk about your woman, I wish you could see mine. Every time she starts to love and she brings eyesight to the blind. You know, her daddy gave her magic, I could tell by the way she walks. Her daddy gave her magic, I could tell by the way she walks. Every time she starts to shake and the tongue begins to talk. She's got the power to heal you, never fear. She's got the power to heal you, never fear. Just a word from her lips and the dead begin to heal. Did you ever see the faces of the children? So excited, waking up on Christmas morning, hours before the winter sun's ignited. They believe in dreams and all they mean, including heaven's generosity. Peeping around the door to see what parcels are for free and curiosity. Tommy doesn't know what day it is. He doesn't know who Jesus was and what praying is. How can he be saved from the eternal grave? Surrounded by his friends, he sits so silently and unaware of anything. Playing pops and pinball, picks his nose and smiles and pokes his tongue at everything. I believe in love, but how can men who've never seen life be enlightened? Only if he's cured will his spirit's future level ever heighten. And Tommy doesn't know what day it is. He doesn't know Jesus was what praying is. How can he be saved from the eternal grave? Tommy, can you hear me? 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 Can you hear me?